Okay, now in this question you're told if t equals sine theta, simplify the following in terms of t. Again, I can see a lot of angles that I need to reduce to acute, so quickly make my diagram, okay? And then I know that's where 0 is, that's where 90 is, that's where 180 is, that's where 270 is. Okay, let's go. So cos of theta minus 90 is the same as minus 90 plus theta. So in other words, I'm going to go minus 90, then I'm going to add theta. So I'll be back in this quadrant because theta is acute, right? So this simplifies to, now remember, before I rush to say this becomes cos theta, I've got 90 degrees there. So the 90 degrees means I always change to sine. See? So in this quadrant, cos is positive. So this becomes a positive sine of theta. Times cos of 720 plus theta. Well, 720 means I go a revolution. Then I go another revolution. Then I stop at 0. Then I add theta. So this is the same as the cos of theta. Times the tan of theta minus 360. Minus 360 means go that and then add theta. So you go minus 360, then you add theta, you remain in this quadrant. So this is the same as the tan of theta. All over sine squared theta plus 360. Theta plus 360, we go a revolution and then we come back, so it's the same as the sine squared of theta. Cos of theta plus 90. Theta plus 90 is in this quadrant. Only sine is positive in this quadrant. So this angle is negative for cos. So we're going to change it to sine and make it a negative sine. Okay? Times negative sine of theta. Okay. Now, what we need to do is, remember we said the tan is sine over cos. So we're going to have sine of theta times cos of theta times the sine theta over the cos of theta. All of that is over the sine squared theta times the minus sine theta. Now, I can clearly see that here the cos and that cos will cancel out. Sine theta times sine theta is sine squared theta. So sine squared theta cancels out. I remain with minus 1, with 1 over minus sine theta. Okay. Now we said t is equal to sine theta. All right. Since t is equal to sine theta, therefore, we can now simplify this to 1 over minus t. Okay, so the following the expression simplifies to 1 over minus t. Okay, again, I hope you can see there's a pattern. The reduction formula seems to be straightforward. If you just draw your cast diagram, look at the angle. Remember, if there's a 90 degrees involved there, you have to switch. If it's the cos, we switch to sine. If the sine, switch to cos. But also first, bear in mind, is the angle, is this angle going to be positive or negative? This angle here, we discovered that it's going to be a negative angle. So even when we switch to sine, we have to make sure that it's a negative sign. Okay. Okay, that's how you can simplify a problem like this. So easy. I'll see you guys around next time.